Good evening, welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Reggae Sumfest 2019 saw its largest audience ever over the weekend. The festival is the product of a multi-billion-dollar investment aimed at promoting Jamaica's culture and music. However, making a profit has always been elusive. Our reporter Andrew Laidley was at the show to capture the economic pulse of the festival.
It's one of the biggest music festivals in Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest. And this year, the festival has brought in thousands of visitors from overseas. But it's not all about entertainment. Stakeholders say that the festival is also good for business. Executing a festival like this one is a major feat. It requires several investors and stakeholders to pool resources and expertise. Promoter Joe Bogdanovich says the investment this year was the largest yet. And while the crowd was large, he says profits aren't always forthcoming.
We always expect profits. Do we achieve them? Not always.
As for tourist arrivals, Minister Bartlett says Reggae Sumfest smashed his targets.
We have exceeded 8,000 already, and that was the figure for Thursday. Now, we don't have the figures for last night, yesterday, and the arrivals today. And today, if you were at the Montego Bay Airport, you would see it really was chock-a-block. In terms of cash flow, major sponsor MasterCard says electronic transactions were the choice of payment this year. The credit card company said millions of dollars was spent at the festival and its affiliated parties.
Last year when we started, we only had a few vendors that were accepting. This year, almost all of the vendors are accepting. And we've introduced contactless as an option as well, so you can tap and go, hassle-free, very fast. So we're already seeing that evolution starting.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Despite the Jamaican dollar gaining slightly on the US on Friday after the BOJ intervened, today the Jamaican dollar lost to the US dollar. Trading closed today with the US dollar selling for an average $137.99. The Canadian closed at $105.83. The pound is now going for $171.87, while the euro closed at $152.71. On the stock market, stock trading started the week on a high today. The JSE index rose more than 1,841 points, while the junior market index gained 24 points. Stocks posting gains included Blue Power Group, Mayberry Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Access Financial Services, and General Accident Insurance. On the losing side were Honeybun, Signals Credit Investment US dollar ordinary shares, Sterling Investments, Express Catering, and iCreate. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.